I don't know how old this thing is, but I'm gonna guess very. No matter what you do, it just doesn't turn off. I could just turn this forever. I'm pretty sure I need a new valve stem on this thing, so I'm gonna get that fixed. Okay, luckily it's pretty easy to access the shutoffs. This is right behind that tub. So if I just, all right. Okay, I'm gonna confirm that, all right, the water is off on both sides. It's amazing that these just come right off, but they do. So probably time to just replace all this stuff anyway. I spent 75 bucks on what Home Depot's website said was a universal valve stem rebuild kit, and it includes everything you need. The only problem being that not a single piece in this box fit any part of my shower. So I returned it, and I found this website called Faucet Parts Plus. That website helped me find the exact fit for my shower. So what I did was I counted the little splines on the tip where the knob is attached, and I pretty quickly found a valve stem that looked exactly like the one I took out. Okay, we're good on the cold side. Okay, very nice. Now I just need to put the knobs on. These days, a plumber would probably charge 300 bucks for this job. I spent about 40.